Calling 2 Division, 29 Alpha Charlie 002. Do you have a copy? New American Radio 001, this is 29 Alpha Charlie 002. Yeah, Roger, my friend, New American Radio 001. We have a lot of frequency distortion on this. We have a lot of stations on this frequency. Can we go frequency 27.510, Roger?
Okay, 27.510, we go.
New American Radio 001, this is 29 Alpha Charlie 002.
29 Alpha Charlie 002, good afternoon, how are you doing today?
Not too bad there, my friend. This is Mick, Mike, India, Charlie Kilo, south coast of Ireland. I hope you're keeping good yourself, Roger. Roger, we said we send the weather off to stateside there for a couple of days so we can have some sunshine, Roger.
QSO. Hey, my personal on this end, my personal is Chip Kilo, India, Papa, my QTH is Arkansas, state of Arkansas, do you copy?
Roger, Kip, 100% copied. Your radio is Radio 5, San Diego 5, Roger. The name on this side is Mick. I will spell Mike, India, Charlie, Kilo. I can get all your full call sign. Maybe in your next offer you will give me your full call sign, Kip, Roger. Roger, Kip, 100%. Congratulations on your beam there and your radio. Your 5 and 5, Radio 5, San Diego 5 to the Republic of Ireland. Working conditions here is President Madison, about 10 whiskies at the moment. 10 whiskies with the President Madison, and the antenna is an Antron 99. Kip, if you can give me your call sign for my logbook. Roger, Kip, you have a fine signal coming from your radio there. The QTH here, Kip, is Cork City, Charlie, Oscar, Romeo, Kilo, Cork City. I have the camera rolling there for YouTube. I make electronic logbook on YouTube, Roger. Roger, Kip, 100% copied. You will find, if you put in my call sign, 29 Alpha Charlie 002, 29 Alpha Charlie 002, you will find this video on YouTube tomorrow, Roger, about 1 a.m. Tomorrow your time. Roger, Kip, 100% copied. As I said, we're recording there at the time, and you're 5 and 5. Kip, I leave you go there. I leave you enjoy the Irish weather there in America, and thanks be God has gone from our place, Roger.
QSL. Well, it's been up and down over here,
Roger, Kip, 100%. Yeah, the weather was fairly good to us there today. We had a small bit of sunshine, about 19 degrees today, Roger. Which is unusual for this time of the year. It's usually a lot colder, but we're doing okay, Roger. Yeah, Kip, I leave you go there so I can post this on YouTube so you can look at it tomorrow. As I said, if you go 29ac002 as a search engine in YouTube, you will see your video, Roger.
Alright, QSO, I got it all. 29ac002. I do copy that, and I'm a member of YouTube, so I'll have no problem finding that, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, about 1 o'clock your time tomorrow, you will be able to hear yourself talking there. You won't be able to see my face, but you will see some other videos there of 11-meter band, so feel free to have a look, Roger.
QSO. Hey, how much is gas going for over there? What's the price of petrol? Do you know what the price of petrol is?
Yeah, the price of petrol is €1.70 a litre. €1.70 a litre. That means it's roughly about $1.25. $1.25, Roger, a litre.
Oh man, that's worse than here. It's bad over here, but you can't even hardly afford to drive, can you?
Yeah, Roger, it's fairly bad over here at the moment. €10 for a gallon of petrol. €10 for a gallon of petrol. That's about $8, Roger. $8 for a gallon of petrol.
Yeah, unfortunately, you've got to be a millionaire to drive a car in Europe, it sounds like. Alright, I'll tell you what, I'm going to sign off here. I enjoyed talking to you. I'm going to go in there and look up your call sign and check some of the other ones out. Thank you for the comeback. I enjoyed talking to you. Nice meeting you, and I'm sure we'll do it again. 29ac002 God bless me. This is Steve America Radio.
Yeah, Roger, before you go, Skip, it's not 19 Alpha Charlie, it is 29 Alpha Charlie, Roger. Roger, 2 American Radio 001, Skip, 73s and 51s to you and your family there in stateside. God bless, and we hope to catch you again, Roger. Yeah, we're starting to get QR Mexico from the frequencies there, so 73s and 51s. Bye.